Number 2, pass. Check ball, number 7. Transition. Nag-iisa ka. 2 points. For number 43. Number 2. Pass to 47. Pass to number 28. Umatake. Pinali. Foul. Who's foul left?
Sino daw? 82, first personal foul. First team foul.
Air ball. Ang unang free throw ni number 28. Second free throw. Wala. Rebound ni number 12. Wala ulit. Naiwan number 34. Dinadala wala. Steal by number 2. Pass to number 47. Atake. Offensive foul.
Away. Offensive foul, number 47. First personal foul.
Number 11. Into the ball. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 34. Speed all to Mira. Wala. Elite 40's ball. Number 5. Pass to number 47. 47. Number 47. Pass to number 12. Natake, wala. Nawala number 24. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 43. Number 43. Natake. Nawala yung wala. Number 1 number. Steven. Bumukol. Wala. Number 12. Wala. Rebound number 34. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 43. Easy 2 points for number 43. Score 4-0. Lamang shots. Number 37. Tumira. Pasok. Sa kalamangan ng shots. Number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 6. Kumawon. Wala. Rebound number 12. Transition. Nag-iisa. Wala. Rebound number 2. Pass to number 2. Rebound number 5. Sinubon for number 5. Number 11. Pass to number 43. Number 43. Wala. Number 43 na matake. Number 11. 8 seconds to shoot. Same ball. Last 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound number 34. Same ball with a 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 11. Nawala yung wala. Last 6 seconds to shoot. Number 43. Huli. Number 47. Number 47. Yung nila ng bola. Pass to number 12. Likod. Foul. Foul. Counted by number 12.
Sino to?
Number 43 left. 43 yeah.
First personal foul, number 43. Second team foul.
Bonus free throw for number 12. Basket. Number 43. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to foul. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points for number 6. Score 8-7. Sana po ang kalabangan ng Philippines. Guys, pas pa. Wala na. Okay.
Foul, number 28. Siya ba nakapal kanina? Second personal foul. Second team foul.
2 free throws for number 11. First free throw. Pasok. All na po ang score natin.
Warning.
Warning
Black
lang.
team.
Wala. Rebound number 12. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Matake. Hindi lang. Wala. Rebound ulit ka. Umikot. Pass to number 47. Wala ulit. Rebound number 5. Push for number 5. Number 43. Number 43. Number 43. Umatake. Pass to number 34. Umikot. Hira. Wala. Rebound number 28. Kuha ni number 2. Pass to number 2. Wala. Walang tinawag sila. Tuloy lang. Substitution.
Change spot, change spot. Change spot, change spot. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Magkabot tayo oras.
Running time tayo.
Pasok,
Bilisan
pasok.
mo lang. Sige lang, pwede po yan. Kahit sino. Pasok.
Black team, kuha bola, black team.
Black ball, black ball. Number 8. Number 8. Dribble the ball. Number 8. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 21. Wala. Dribble ulit to number 12. 2 balls for number 12. Number 43. Number 43, pass to number 22, pumukul ng test. Wala, rebound ni number. Anong number mo? Anong number 14? Pass to number 12, 2 points ulit for number 12. Pass to back points for number 12. Number 43, pass to number 22, pass to number 4. Pass to number 22. Cross pass for number 24, pumukol, wala, okay. Number 12, malaki, 2 points. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 12. Matake, foul. Push foul, right?
Sino daw?
22.
Foul, number 22. First personal foul.
12 ka, 12.
12. Number 12. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Bonus free throw for number 12. Basket. Complete the triple play for number 12. Number 43. Number 43. Number 43. Pass to number 24 to the ball. Wala. Rebound yung number. Number 40. Pass to number 12. Foul.
Foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 43. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Two free throws for number 12. First free throw. Wala. Adjust ang kailangan. Adjust. Last free throw. Wala ulit. Rebound ni number 4. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 43. Ang bilis. Matake. Kick out for number 24. Kick out for number 22. Kick out ulit for number 4. Kick out for number 1. Wala. Rebound ni number 27.
Out. Let's up go.
21.
Walang sub, sir. Second quarter yung sub natin.
Walang tawag sila eh. Huli. Number 43 ang bilis. Tatlong tiniwanan. Pass to number 22. 2 points for number 22. Number 14. Number 8. Pass to number. Yung number mo. Makita. Shots ball.
1 minute, this.
1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 43. Natinawag sila. Traveling violation.
Travel. Number 43, traveling.
Leads ball. Leads sport is ball. Steal the number 43. Matake. Wala. Good luck. Natinawag sila. Number 40. Pumasa sa number 27. Wala. Push foul eh.
Foul, number 4. First personal foul. Team foul.
2 free throws for number 14. Pasok ang una.
Gandang laban din, no?
Yung second game.
Brothers tsaka
Sino walang laro ngayon?
Panthers.
Walang laro Panthers ngayon kaya?
Wala. Tayo niya muna sila.
Pasok Ari. Binigay kay number 14. And to shoot. Rebound, wala na. Garcia.
Good, good, good! Good!
20-14 official score. Laban ng aling mga elite 40s. There's number 22. But there's a foul on number 40.
Third!
Number 14, that is his first personal foul, 13 foul. 18 to shoot. Ten seconds to shoot. Good defense by goal. Ito si Garcia. Garcia, Shenza. Garcia, lesser 2 points. Last 10 seconds. Agaw pa ni Garcia. 5 seconds. Garcia, Shenza. Lesser. End of the first quarter. Official score is 24-14 in favor of Elite 40s.
Late ako.
Nice lang.
Back to the ball game. Start of the second quarter.
Late namin nagsimula eh. Late namutin yung referee eh. Akala daw nila 7 eh. Yung mga bago na naman. Bago yung pinadala. Kahit wala. Ayan.
Here is Yap. To number 28. Number 28. Salo. Silvo. Number 5. Out to number 28. 10 seconds to shoot. Driving violation. One step too many for number 2. Turnover.
But there's a foul on number 28.
28. Third na yun.
With number 28, that is his third personal foul, first team foul.
Ang aga pa, para maging third yun ah. Tako sa ball yun ah.
2 free throws for number 34. Basket on the second free throw, 24-15. Larong pa rin ready for this. Yep. But there's a foul on number 24.
24 first.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 14 to shoot. Yep. Sayale, number 5. No. Rebound number 34.
Good. Nangyari.
There's a foul on number 4. De Guzman, 47. 47.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, second team foul.
Sige sir, kami na bahala sa ano sir, sa foul.
Wala ang unang tira ni number 12. We're on the second. 24-16 ang ating official tally. De Guzman. Number 11. Number 11 goes all the way. 24-18. There's number 18, yeah. 2 points for number 28. 26-18. Turnover. This is hot. Nobleza. Nobleza, nag-atin na konti. Yup. With 10 seconds on the shot clock. Rebound number 11. Number 11. Sa ilalim. Yeah, rebound number 5. But there is a foul.
Number 11.
On number 11.
First.
That is his first personal foul. Second team foul.
Timeout. Shot.
Shots. Official score is 26-18 in favor of Elite 40s with 7 minutes and 25 in the second quarter.
Game to eh.
Back to the roll again. Yeah. Nobleza. De Guzman. But there is a foul caught.
24. Second.
Foul on number 24. That is the second personal foul. Third team foul. 14 to shoot. There's one fires. There's one.
Pangalawa na yun ah.
Number 11. That's their zone. What's a foul? Foul on number 18.
First.
Yep. That is his first personal foul, third team foul. Bonus free throw for number 11. cannot complete the three-point play. Yeah, Nobleza, number 5 is up. Yes, sir. Good basketball for Elite 40s, 32-12 or 31-20. Basket is good. And one. Plus a foul on number 5.
Number 5. First.
Number 5, that is his first personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 free throws, or bonus free throw for number 11. Wala. Black ball, last touch on red.
Ito, patakbo yung oras doon.
Number 28, number 2, Yap, 15 to shoot, Yap, to the spot, fakes, drives, Yap, all alone is number 24 for the easy 2 points, 31-24. Yap. In the spot, Lamas, rebound number 5, runner, in and out, rebound number 34. Number 11, basket is good. 31-26, di na lang ginawak ng shots.
Isin yung number 11 ah.
15 to shoot. Number 47, that is his third personal foul penalty.
Tama yan.
2 free throws for number 11.
Tatlo na si Kuya Lowell. Masyadong maaga para may tatlo.
Naglag kami sa
Sa
flight.
tinalo kayo ng flight.
Yung makarunod pa ng coach ng station. Sino ba yun?
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Forma po pa.
Go on the second.
Binang po ako. First. Kaya baka kami. Kasi pumasok ako na hapon.
Number, rebound number 12. To number 34. Ay, wala.
Sub.
Chase players.
5. Natalo na, sayang. Yan yun eh, kinala ko yun, sasabi ko eh. Yun din ang patalo sa amin nakaraan eh. Semi-finals, putik na yun.
Ang line ng Mati Alas, ang papasok niya si Mati Alegre. Pero sa akin, tsaka yun.
Nakapanginahin talaga nun nung kami. Kami, nasa semi-finals na kami. Tapos then dumating yun, nag-coach-coach na sa atin. Putik na yan.
Kasi yun ang season.
Oo, tapos wala na.
Short. Tapos niya. Number 11. One shot for number 11.
Pinaghirapan niya simula una. Tapos wala.
31-30. Under 4 minutes. Garcia. 10 to shoot. Pamalala. 5 to shoot. Number 43. Yes, sir. 32-31 na mga nag-isa. Ang shots. Rebound. Nakuha kay Tan. Number 11. All over. 2 points.
Hindi siya yung
Shots. 34-31.
veterans, pinaikat lang.
33. Balik sa tatlong kalamangan ng shots. Garcia continues to shoot. Number 14. Go. Rebound. Number 43. Block. Number 43. 2 points. 38-33. Lima na po kalamangan ng shots. Garcia. Timeout, Elite 40s. Official score is 38-33 in favor of shots with 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining in the second.
Ayan, talo rin sila kahapon.
Habang din sila din. Doon din.
Wala pa naman nila rocket pitch talaga.
Ay, putik na yan. Mas malakas yun.
Number 1 tas number 4 sila. Number 2 kami number 3 kami.
Lumakas pala yung flight gym. Sabang para sa akin, hindi mo nanalo yun eh.
Mali lang.
Tinatambakan na lang natin yun eh.
Pinasok tatlong Bilem. Villaramo. Tinakbuhan kami. Kami pa tinakbuhan. Wala ako doon.
Walang guide.
Walang guard naman. Ginawang lahat sentro ang puta. Ano ba? Hindi ginalas.
Ayan.
Number 11, one shot, go! Put back, wala. Rebound number 21. Sampak. Walang tuloy. Pero merong foul. On number 6.
Number 6, first.
That is his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. 18 to shoot. Red ball. Number 4. Patanari. To number 11. Rebound go. Under 1 minute. Go. Good shot. The goal, 2 points. 38-35. By time signals the play. 13 to shoot. Rebound. Ito na si Garcia. Garcia din si Raul. Isa na lang ang inaabot ng 840s. 38-37. Our shot clock is turned off. 19 seconds remaining. 13 seconds. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Traveling. Turnover. Garcia. Number 43. 3. Official score is 41-37 in favor of shots.
Kitang-kita eh. Kitang-kita. Oo, basketball.
Counted yun. First time nga lang pumisi yun eh. Gulat na ako, alas 7 daw. Sabi sa kanila, paano kaya alas 7?
Balikin 38 eh. Isa na lang kanina na. Balikin
Yun na tayo, yun na tayo.
Back to the ball game, start of our third quarter.
Black ball!
Possession arrow goes to Elite 40s.
lobat niyan.
Nobleza. Negosman. What a play! 2 points number 5, credit to assist to Negosman. 41-39, dalawa na lang ang inahabol ng Elite 40s. Short. Negosman. Sangkap. Sangkap 2 points. 41 all, our official tally under 9 minutes. Driving in the middle, Negosman recovers. Rebound. Lead pass. Number 24, Felix. Naghanap na papasan. Number 77, or 17. Noted. There's a foul on number 5.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 4, Tatlong Hari.
Sayang yung lineup nun, nalakas nun. Tatlong malaki. Adrian. Si Iko, Enrico. Si Encho. Tapos si Belen. Hamina, umagal. Depensa.
Basket is good.
Iyak kay Randy yun eh. Ibis na depensa. Dapat dito naman sila sumali oh. Para malaman yung mga nila.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ito yung shot lock mo, okay ba?
Sa ilalim. Good ball. Rebound number 17. From his pizza. To number 24. Basket is good. 47-41. Anim na ang kalamangan ng shots. Negosman. Elbowing violation.
Time out daw, Toy. Time out. Elite.
Time out. Elite 40s. Official score 47-41 in favor of shots with 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the third.
Dito sila sumali, lalo sila mababalagbag. Ito eh. Asar na asar ako dun eh. Dalawang magkasunod semis, tapos
Back to the ball game.
semis na tsaka pupunta ako, papalit ako palit. Alisan ko sa GC. Sabi ko, alis na muna ako, magbubuo ko ng team.
Campus Pisa. Good defense. Traveling violation. Turnover. Lomeza. Number 28. Pakalaman. Basket is good. And 1. Foul on number 4.
Second.
Tatlong Hari, that is his second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 12. Ako na lang.
Pag na-shoot. Ganda na shoot sa GT Cut yan oh. Wala, di na-shoot. Mamaya pa pag na-shoot.
Tatlong Hari, number 82. Sa ilalim, Nagawa. Number 28. Number 28 goes all the way. Yes, sir. 47-45. Dalawa na lang ang inahabol ng Elite 40s. Substitution.
Warning 28.
Warning on number 28 for fouling the ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock for the Elite 40s. 11 to shoot. Fouling violation. One step too many for number 28. Turnover. Substitution. But there is a foul. Oh, traveling violation.
Pero ako mo to eh.
Yeah. Traveling violation.
Nabigay na po, nabigay na.
Pag-ispisa. Number 24. Number 24. 52-45. 4 down remaining in the third. Foul out, 15 to shoot. Three on three. Ibayuga gets it on this. Kapis Misan. Number 24. Technical foul on number 24 for faking a foul.
Polaro, kanino Polaro?
Black ball.
Mamaya.
Wala. Sab, pasok.
Substitution.
Black ball.
Black. Ito print to eh.
Official score is 52-45 na naman ang shots ng pito.
Hoy, yung araw gawin na dun.
Sa ilalim, Yap. Cross-court Garcia. 10 seconds to shoot. Fouling violation. Turnover. Gaitan, eye to eye with Garcia. Bigyan na pick, Gaitan. 15 to shoot. Number 11 fires. Number 11, 55-45, something na bola naman ang shots. Under 3 minutes now. Yeah. 12 to shoot. No basket. There's a foul downstairs on number 34, Di Mayuga. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. 14 on the shot clock for Elite 40s. And number 12. Number 12.
Second.
That is his second.
First.
That is his first personal foul.
34 second.
Number 34. That is his second personal foul.
Ang hirap eh. Pag ikaw may second person.
Sinabay ko lang. Second question na. Okay naman doon. Sila, offensive. Oh, double foul.
Game.
Second person.
Double
Dalawa.
foul.
Game.
Second on number 34. First on number 12.
Game na.
$14 seconds to shoot. Rebound. Big rebound. 2 points. For number 23. 55-47. Diretso 2 points. 55-49, aning lang. Nakago pa. Go. Short. Yap. Ako na lang. Basket.
Time out.
Time out.
Shots.
Official score is 55-51 in favor of shots, with 1 minute and 35 remaining in the third.
Oo nga, pero okay yun, offensive sana. Ginawa niya kasi,
Sinatak na pa eh.
okay na yung second motion. Hindi mo pwede yung isa lang.
Okay yan.
Pero
Sige, sir.
pag gano'n sa kanya, umatras ka, offensive. Clear naman sa akin.
Sinatak niya pa eh.
Sabi ko, nahuhuli yung mga second motion.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Mga baseball na like. Take ang lakas ito.
Parang cover niya. Malakas na sa second game, third game.
Bakal ko sa second game.
Gaitan. Sa corner, 124. Malakas. Ako na lang. Iyap. Go. Felix. Garcia shoots. Rebound ni Mayuga. Number 11. Spins. Roll. Chavez. Good basketball. Chavez and goal connection. 55-53. 14 seconds remaining. Gaitan. Eye with goal. Number 24. But there is a foul on number 8.
Score 8. First.
Goal, that is his first personal foul. 13 foul. Sideline throw
Second pa lang,
14 seconds on the shot clock. Di Mayuga. Turnover. Rebound number 11. That's 15 seconds. That's 10 seconds. Garcia rally violation. That's 6 seconds. End of the third quarter. Official score is 55-53 in favor of shots.
Balagbagan yan, second game. Di ba ito eh?
Back to the ball game. Start of the fourth quarter.
Shots ball.
Possession arrow goes to shots.
Red ball, red ball.
Number 22 to start. Dimayuga. Yeah. Romero. 3 on 4. Romero loses the ball. Number 14. Rebound, number 22. Number 34, Dimayuga. Gaitan. Gaitan. Rebound. Eros back. Wala. Basket is good. That's a foul.
Number 18.
Foul number 18. Yeah,
Second.
that is his second personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number
34.
34.
Sayang.
Cannot complete the 3-point play.
Uy, yung shot na. Nangyari. Nakatulala ka.
Foul on number 34, Dimayuga. Dimayuga, that is his third personal foul, first team foul.
Team foul to eh.
Thirteen on the shot clock. $14 on the shot clock. Turnover.
May bagong player yung Motolite to. Lalaki yung haba.
Logan. Yep. Yep. Romero. Block. Swatted away by Dimayuga. Foul on number 15.
Sino?
Ay, 14 pala, 14. Sa elite.
First.
Number 14, that is his first personal foul. Second team foul. Official score is 57-53, still in favor of shots.
Pandali mo dali.
Third 12 to shoot. Dimayuga. In and out.
Offensive.
Offensive foul on number 12.
Sige.
That is his second personal foul.
Walang foul lang offensive. Walang. Offensive lang po, offensive.
14 on the shot clock. Very consistent with that. 59-53. pushing foul
34.
on number 34.
Warning.
Number 34, warning. That is his 4th personal foul.
Sub.
Substitution.
Mainit yung 34 oh. Tinulok.
Spins. Wahoo! 59-55. Habang naginagawa ng lead 40s. Under 7 minutes.
Ha? Kaya mo na yun. Kaya mo yun. Namaya.
Kay Garrett, sinira mo.
Foul on number 12. Pakulanang. Substitution. Pakulanang, that is his 2nd personal foul. 3rd personal foul. 13th foul. Another seconds to shoot. Chavez.
Ha? Ngayon na yung mga mata.
Seven feet to shoot. Stepping on the sideline, turnover.
Yan, malinaw pala. Kala ko malabo, malinaw pala.
But there's a foul. Foul on number 43.
Third.
That is his 1st personal foul.
Third.
Oh, 3rd personal foul.
Third.
2nd team foul. 2 free throws for number 12, Pakulanang.
Pag pumasok, dalawa, sir. Kaso wala.
Ganun ba yun? Kailangan dalawa.
Kahit isa lang. Yan.
Substitution.
Basta yung sa panghuli pumasok.
Official score 59-56. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng shots. With 5 minutes and 42. Tissue. Rebound number 5. Romero. But there is a
Number
foul.
4. Third.
On number 12.
Number 4.
Number 4, sorry. Tatlong hari. That is his 3rd personal foul. 13 foul. 2 free throws for number 12. Pakulanang.
Pag pumasok po yung pangalawa.
Number on the second. Pag-squeeze out. Number 11.
Sander.
But there's a foul downstairs.
17.
Substitution.
First.
Number 17, that is his first personal foul.
Third pa lang, third.
13 foul. 19 to shoot. Malolos. 59-57 ang ating official score with 4 minutes and 33. In and out.
Let's go Rockets!
15 to shoot.
Time out! Time out!
Time out. Elite 40s.
Sino daw na foul? Ref! Ref, sino foul, ref?
Number 12, that is his fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty. Official score 59-57 in favor of Shots. With 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter.
Game na, game na, game na! Ref, bigyan mo bola.
12 to shoot. Romero. Number 5, that's gonna go. That's a foul. Foul on number 17 from Ispisan. Substitution. Number 17, that is his second personal foul, 13 foul.
Court na.
Warning for penalty, sorry. Bonus free throw awarded to number 5.
Number 4, offensive.
There's a foul on number 4, Takamhari.
Apat na yan.
Number 4, that is his fourth personal foul. Substitution. Two free throws awarded to number 12, Pakulanang. Good on the first is Pakulanang. No good on the second, split the charity, 1-2. 16-59 na mga isa, elite 40s. 3 minutes and 42. 15 to shoot. 9 to shoot.
Ref, bigyan mo bola, ref. Hindi ko magal, hayaan mo sa mga. Ito yung oras ba't mo, inanong ko.
Kasi tumalbong, hindi ka siya dito.
Romero. Pakulanang.
out.
34
All out na.
or 24.
Graduate na yun, 34.
Number 34, 5 personal fouls. 2 free throws for number 12, Pakulanang. Good on the first, 61-59. Last throw on the way for Pakulanang.
Buhat na ba ko na lang? Wala siyang katulong.
Walang pangalawa. But there is a foul. Foul on number 28.
Fourth.
That is his fourth personal foul penalty. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. Both teams are in penalty situation. 2 free throws for number 82. Good on the first. No good on the second. 1 out of 2. 61-60. Isa ang inahabol ng shots. Under 2 minutes. Araw. Gaitan. 2 points.
Halo pa.
Araw. Number 22. 64-61. Pakulanang. Basket is good. 64-63. 2 minutes and 19. Gaitan, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Time out.
Time out.
Shots.
Shots. Official score is 65-64 in favor of Elite 40s with 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. To be exact, we only had 115 seconds remaining. Back to the ballgame.
Rep, game na rep. Mag-aabol tayo oras. Rep, game na. Mag-aabol tayo oras. Third.
That is his third personal foul penalty. 2 free throws for number 24.
Inarangan niya yung landing spot eh. Tumama tuloy siya.
Good on the first. Two out of 2. Lamang na wala ng isa ang shot. 66-65. 1 minute and 37 remaining. Again to shoot. Turnover.
defense.
Number 4,
Allowed.
that is his 5 personal fouls. 2 free throws awarded to number 12, Paula Lang.
Oh, graduate na yun, graduate na.
Number 4, Tatlomari, 5 personal fouls. Good on the second, 66 all. 50 seconds remaining. Smart away. With 14 seconds on the shot clock. 45 seconds remaining. 66 all. Nagawan. Nagawan. Yes, sir. 68, 66. Rebound pa ko na lang. Yes, sir. All 68. 3-second differential. The shot clock in the game clock. Last 21 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wala na ang rebound. End of regulation. We are going into overtime.
Oh, puta, yari tayo, Toy. Bisa time out.
Tuloy yan, penalty. Parehas. Parehas penalty. Tuloy, tuloy.
Back to zero ata. Back to zero ba?
Tuloy. Tuloy yan, tuloy.
Penalty ba? Rep, game na rep. Wala na tayong oras, rep. Game na, game na.
Back to the ball game. Black ball.
Bigay na kuya.
Mamaya, dapat pumasok kayo kanina.
Malakas. Substitution.
Number 8.
Foul on number 8, Paul. That is his 3rd personal foul. Penalty.
Tagal na ito, penalty.
Two free throws for number 24. Walang pangalawa. Rebound number 21. Rebound number 82. Malagos. Turnover. Romero. Walang bola. Garcia. 2 points. Foul on number 18, Yap.
Second.
That is his second personal foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 82.
Isa pa.
Wala ang una. Second throw. Second throw is no good. 0 out of 2. 3 minutes and 25 in the overtime period. Garcia. 15 to shoot. Romero. Number 11. 3 on 3. Gaitan. Lays up for 2. 72-71. Isa ang inahabol ang shots under 3 minutes. Garcia all alone. Garcia scores. 74-71. Tatlo ulit ang lamang ng Elite 40s. 50 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Shot kaya na siya. Time out. Elite.
Time out, Elite 40s.
Wala nang time out yung Elite.
Wala na pong time out ang Elite 40s. Isa pa ang shots. Official score is 74-71 in favor of Elite 40s with 2 minutes and 27 remaining in the overtime.
Game. Basar mo na to.
Back to the ball game.
Wala na kayong time out.
Garcia. Malakas. Iwan Malogos. Number 11. Gaitan. Nakawala. Foul on number 21.
First.
That is his first personal foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 43. Substitution. Official score is 74-73. Lamang Elite 40. Completes the 3-point play. This is our second deadlock of the ball game at 74 apiece. Last 2 minutes. In and out. Garcia. Pakula na. Yes, sir. 76-74. 1 minute and a half remaining in the overtime. To shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound number 12. Garcia.
I don't know.
Timeout. Shots. Official score is 78-74 in favor of Elite 40s with a minute and 45 seconds, or with a minute and 5 seconds remaining in the overtime.
game na to eh.
Back to the ballgame.
Nag-overtime. Nag-overtime. Maganda laro second game, tsaka sa third game. Pati ito, ang ganda na rin ito eh.
Ganda na rin eh.
Walang bumibitaw.
Under a minute remaining. 15 to shoot. Chance to shoot.
Technical. Ang number nun? 18?
Technical foul on number 8, Yap.
18.
Or 18, I'm sorry, Yap. For clapping.
Pumasok? Ha?
Red ball! Red!
Ball possession goes to red. Official score is 78-75. Tatlong inahabol ng shots with 46 seconds remaining. 14 to shoot. Last 27 seconds remaining.
Sayang, di niya napasabit niya.
Sabit na yun eh.
Oh, shot lock to ya. Foul 11.
Foul on number
Second.
11, that is the second personal foul.
Penalty.
2 free throws for number 18, Yap.
Kaya nga, di niya tinuloy na. Di niya tinuloy. Pinasa niya pa. Pasok niya na para wala nang overtime. Para wala na. Ay, pasok nyo, wala na kami oras.
You're on the second, 79, 75 with last 10 seconds.
Good game.
End of the ball game, and your winner, Elite 40s. Official score 79-75.
Ganda ng laban ah. Good game.
Simbolo pala yung isang bola.
Overtime.